Alright guys, we're back, man. Here's a couple of products that we're going to be reviewing. Doing a nice little taste test. Alright, not too bad, not too shabby. I'm really hungry out here with this this work we had to do today. So, that's what those look like. Let's see how they are though. Yeah, kind of strange, man. When you first put them in your mouth, it tastes like dog food. And then it turns into like a chip. Then it turns into like powder, like baby powder, or dough. Goes down pretty smooth. I think it's the chickpeas in here. This is not good at all, but I'm gonna try one more. Man, I gotta pass those up. Definitely a no-go. Here goes the banana. Not too shabby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. Oh yeah. No. Yes.